Number 16. Kailangan ko ba bang explain to? Alam niyo na to? Again. X varies directly as Y. Pag direct variation, pag mag-increase si X, mag-increase din si Y. Diba? Pag mag-decrease si X, mag-decrease din si Y. Diba? Yan ang direct variation. Now, Y varies inversely as Z. Meaning, if Y increases, Z decreases, right? And if Y decreases, Z increases. So, tanong niya, if Z decreases, will X increase or decrease? Tingnan natin. If Z decreases, then Y increases, right? If Y increases, here we go, then X increases. So the answer is X increases. Yeah, X increases. So the answer is increase. Sana ganito lahat ng question, no?